Hello everyone! Wondering which version of Windows you're running or want to peek at your PC specs? Let me guide you step by step. First, to determine your Windows version, start with the search menu. Using WinVer, then type in WinVer and hit enter. Now, you'll see a pop-up window displaying the version of Windows you're currently on. But if you're curious about more than just Windows version and want a rundown of your system specs, open Settings. A quick shortcut is pressing the Windows plus R keys simultaneously. Then, navigate to System, and then click on About. Here, you'll find a comprehensive list from your PC's name, CPU details, RAM info, and even device IDs. And there you have it. Quick and easy ways to know your Windows version and a deep dive into your PC's specs. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Until next time, bye bye.